probably the most high-tech shoes on planet Earth. New Adapt BB from Nike. They're not even officially out yet. I've seen a couple videos from the Nike event. This is an area where there hasn't been a lot of technology, with the exception of the couple of previous versions of the Adapt series, the self-lacing shoes that Nike has put out in the past. There's an app that goes with it. Technology meets sneakers, and finally, in a fashion robust enough to be used by professionals. Suggested retail price on the tag there, $350. Sneakerheads are paying $350 for sneakers that do a lot less than this. Okay, so, there we go. Okay, box in a box situation. So as I understand it, you can either lace these up with the electronic buttons right on the side of the sneaker, or you can do so through the app. The app is not out yet officially, so I'll be using the sneaker to tighten these up. Look at that. Wow. Ooh. All wrapped up and whatnot. Whoa. High-tech city. Now, the thing you can probably tell right away, you can't see any laces. So there's actually a wire system in here. Some people like that, some people not as much. Even with the motor in here, these things still feel like a typical basketball shoe, and that's what they're targeted at. The Nike Adapt Charger 1.0. That's one downside of having self-lacing sneakers is, I mean, they gotta get some juice in there, but wireless charging is kind of convenient. I guess you just put this down and the sneakers just drop on, and that's it. They charge. It's a little mat. We have a charge brick and a USB cable, actually Type-C connector as well. So the LED lights on the side will change their color dependent upon your charge level, though even if these things do run out of battery life when you have them on, they will always keep enough battery in them to at least loosen up so you can get your foot out. So there's always like a reserve battery power in there. Apparently, you can get like 2 weeks of battery life, lacing, unlacing, and so on. Okay, so you power them on by pressing and holding any button on the side of the shoe for 1 second, and then you place the shoe flat on the ground, slide your foot inside, the shoe will automatically tighten to a comfortable, pre-programmed fit. You can adjust your fit by tapping the front button, this guy here, to tighten, or the back button to loosen. Push and hold both buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds in order to save your fit. When you do install the Nike Adapt app, when it's fully available, you could have like a basketball fit where you have it really tight, and then you could have a casual fit saved as well, where you could toggle between the two quickly. Some people like to have their laces untied when they're just, I don't know, heading out to brunch and whatnot. Oh, that was the noise of the motor. Listen to this. Here we go. You can kind of see that. See that, Jack? So the mesh is still extended out, but even the interior of the shoe has tightened quite a bit. The heel came in, kind of locking the foot in as well. What do you say, boys? Should I try them on? Why not? Woo! That's already a pretty snug fit. To be clear, this is a very snug fit right out of the gate, just getting them on. But let's go ahead and tighten them a bit. Here we go. Oh, baby. Oh my goodness gracious. And now my foot is being gripped, like substantially, a lot more support than I expected to have. I mean, it's like having a very tightened shoe. Been up here before. Ooh. I'm kind of into these. Whether or not the look is for you, I guess that depends on your taste. It's meant to look futuristic, and I think that it does. There's an R on the right foot and an L on the left foot. If you tighten them up via the app, there's 2 sliders, one for the left foot, one for the right foot. I'm glad, obviously, that these are not strictly a gimmick. That said, they're $350. Everything in the future is supposed to be electrified or automated in some sense, even your sneakers. It's the Adapt BB, and I think this this is the first unboxing on the internet. So how about that? What do you say, Jack?